think? I sound like I belong on PBS. So today's the perfect day while I'm gushing out and shedding an egg to a jeans haul from Yesta. I do have a code if you guys want to save some moolah. So what really sparked the notion behind today's video is the fact that I struggle finding jeans on Asian websites. Let's just get this out of the way. I know you're tired of hearing this, but Asian sizes run smaller than American sizes. I might look like an average mid-sized girl here in America, but in Asia, they translate my body shape, style, size, form as an obese, overweight, and plus size person. Yeah, there's a lot of work that Asia needs to do. I'm just saying. So for reference, in case you want to buy jeans and you're a similar shape to me, I am a size 8 medium. When I buy my jeans, I like the medium large. Large in Asia equates to a medium here in the United States. However, I found out that sometimes an extra large in Asia actually is equivalent to a medium here. So it's just like bullshit. But that's fine because everywhere everyone's different. So I got a couple of styles of jeans for us to try on. We're just gonna speed through this. Here we go! This is a size large. I've noticed that anytime jeans in Asia are labeled large or extra large, they have this scrunch at the back to tell you that there's room for you. You don't find stretchy wedgie jeans in America with this banding at the back unless it's maternity pants. Suit yourself. This case I can appreciate it. Wow. I've actually been really obsessed with this darker jean color. I love them. Oh, by the way, a lot of jeans from Yesta aren't cut in the loophole because they want to show you that it's new. Apologies. It should button fine. Wait, I'm kind of excited. Why did I look like that? Lengthwise, at my ankles, kind of fun. Oh, I was attacked. Call the police. Length is good, so if you're over 5 feet, these will be kind of like caprice-ish on you. Do people use that word anymore? More hip. Don't know how I really feel about this banding. It's like a kid jean. I look like a troll right now. Okay, so if you're gonna buy jeans from Yesta, don't expect heavy quality. They're not your hefty cargo jeans. They're just some light ass, splittable, flexible jeans. Get yourself some dark retro looking jeans. This is the next jean and it has this nice white lining. It's in the size large, so we'll see how consistent. Surprisingly, the hole is cut. It fits, but look at the squishies on my side. Quite long, cargo looking denim with the white tracing. It portrays status. Really like the fit. If she wasn't so bloated. Pretty tight on the booty. Yes. I do really like the pockets on the side here. I'm really impressed with the stitching. Perfection. Uniform. You could totally spice your wardrobe. You look so bad. I would just like to add, now that I've taken this off, the zipper's a little like dry, need some lube. Here's another pair of jeans in large, and I got this because I just saw it everywhere. You even see this on like White Fox, Boutique, these holes, it's closed up. She said, you didn't pay no interest fee, you ain't getting in. This one already, I could feel like it's a little tight. She did it. I might fit them. You're supposed to be able to like connect this part of your jeans. There's an extra band up here to cinch in that waist. This is me. Again, it's a little lengthy on me, but it's not a horrible extra half foot. This quality has a little bit more weight to it. Okay, shitters. I didn't realize that I look like a stuffed sausage. Well. A stomach that stretches the denim way too much that the pockets on the side keep peeking out. Like I can't fully hide it. My pouch. I really convinced myself that this would be cuter. I just have to lose a couple more pounds. I don't care. It's a little tight. I don't have a lot of torso to work with, so it looks kind of awkward on me. This isn't it. I don't think it's supposed to look like this. Did we take note on the back? Just so you know. Just so you get a picture why I think Asian sizes run a little tinier. Did I make that shit up myself? Surprise, surprise. You have an extra large. Feel like underwear. Oh god, they look bad. They look like trousers. If the camel toe wasn't that bad, I wouldn't really mind, but like, can we just acknowledge? The poof down here says hi. Wait, actually, does it look horrible on the ass? Dang. okay? You can tell she had a weekend. And for an extra large, they fit pretty tight. I'd call these almost like a medium. I look like a hot dog. Do you get my drift? We barefoot babies, and it's obvious. It's always funny to me when I have a bigger ass in the front than the back. So, I guess. These are the astonishing power jeans. They actually feel like real jeans you'd buy at like H&M, American Eagle. These are even comparable to like Aeroprasto. Let's see. Alright. Okay, we can't zip it. Making me feel a little insecure. My stomach is pleading the fifth right now. Dude, I look like a solid slice of pork belly. Why do these jeans look like this? I look like I'm in middle school. Yeah, so I like the wash of denim. Oh my. These jeans are making me regret my decisions of salt and vinegar lace for breakfast. Wow. Yeah, we're gonna have to pass on these. These brown ones because I thought summer bomber. Oh, yikes. Yeah, not a chance, sister, from another mother. Look at that. I'm a genie in the bottom, baby. Dude, even my underwear comes up higher. Like, look at that. Is that sad? Okay, so these guys are definitely going out the door. I guess that wasn't the illustration of a storybook. Pockets have nice little flaps. These are the size large. As we are experiencing, sizes are not consistent. I'm an octopus. I have a wedding to go to next week, so I need to take this into consideration, you know? I guess this was uneventful. These are the last pair of jeans, and they are our finale jeans in size extra large. So on the sides there are these flaps. I'm just gonna button up one button, two button. And I think honestly the reason for this is to allow you to cinch it tighter or not, or give it a little bit more space going through the furthest button. Here's the real test. Extra large, you should fit fine. Nice. Nice! Wow! These fit like perfect. The perfect fit. Super light on the body. Doesn't feel tight at all. Wow! I like how it doesn't give me a huge camel toe. Just enough for the fupa to tease ya. I love the length as well. It's not too long. Again, with sneakers, it'd be perfect. It's wide-legged, so I have a lot of room for my legs to maneuver. Juggling. Oh, there's so much space for my leg. My big calves. We're not experiencing any of that like scrunchy banding here either. It's just like normal jeans. The color of these denim is definitely that midway in between and not dark, not light. I'm just happy they fit. Beautiful. It's perfect! I think it's pretty cool and inventive to have these double buttons right here for you to adjust. Imagine if I lost weight. I'm able to adjust my jeans by making it tighter. You can achieve anything. These jeans are your dream. If I'm being honest, I do have a couple more pairs of jeans that I could share, but they're pretty much the same thing. I'm gonna link those jeans down below too, but that is basically it. This video wasn't as exciting, I know, but I think it's super helpful for those who are looking for denim on a yes style, because I know it could be a little bit tricky. And sometimes you're like, do I trust this or not? So here you go. Anyway, that is all for this denim haul. If you guys enjoyed, then make sure to like, and until next time, I'm sending you love.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside